Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Get more update on intraday and the positional trading strategies. Yesterday we have created a scanner that was working good, and even a lot more modification we can do on the scanner. So that I am going to discuss in this video. And before going to the video, I was thankful to you all because we are reaching now near about 8,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I was thanking you to all my subscribers and those who are watching my videos. I was thankful to you all. And today is the we are reaching some near big milestone around 8,000 subscriber my channel. I was thanking you all. And so this video and someone who asking about the questions, the scanner, the find the 45-degree stocks. It's a scanner which simply tell you the buyer initiated trade quantity is must be greater than the seller initiated trade quantity. Concept is more buying on the particular stock. So on a live market, it may changing because of the percentage. It may be changing up and down. Some stocks may be there, and if it goes down, it may be not available on the list. But let's check it out. So these are the stocks end of the day. But if you are seeing in the morning, I seen a BEL, it was in top, but I did some trades and it moves well, right? And again another one which I seen is Escorts. So it is the stock which is continues the trend it's showing us, right? So this scanner will tell you how many stocks are more buying compared to the selling orders. So that is what the key concept. So you can carry forward the position, or sorry, you can carry forward. So tomorrow's trade, you can focus this kind of stocks also. If it is a high buying happening, maybe tomorrow it may go down or it may go continue up. And one of my subscriber who talk about he added open equal to low on the scanner. So instead of tracking that much of scanners is really tough one. But from this stock you can find out high liquidity and good volume. So other factors it will find, if you find out there is a good opportunities on the stock. So here a chamber fertilizer also I've seen in the morning, but the option is not liquid. I try to buy it, but the option price is not liquid, so I leave it out. But if you check that after a movement, so initially it spikes over and then still it continues. Not after within a 10 minutes it moves higher. So you can see after that it's struggling. So if you find such a kind of stocks, you may avoid, or you can use our ORB strategy. Like any stock which you find out, you can use ORB strategy. Let's find out Jindal Steel, so how it is moving. So let's say it is initially it moves and again it coming down and finally it rocks from 407 to 421, right? So you have to track in a minute. It's a 5-minute chart. If you go for a checking a 15-minute chart, a small correction and then it went up and it is keep on going higher and higher. So you can use whenever the stock will be there, and you can use a ORB strategy like that. So if we are adding some condition on that video and that scanner, so how we can add, so you can easily, the one who said about the open equal to low, even we are focusing for a filtering at a good buy stocks, right? The open must be equal to the low. So that is another great idea. So I think one who shared that. If you are adding this, even it will find out very less number of stocks. Even a lot of stocks is there in a particular scanner. So only few stocks, if you get it out, so we can easily track them. So today bar BEL. So if you're focusing BEL, today it is rocks well almost the option price BEL 300 call, where it is from 12 to 17.95 it made high, and that was a good opportunity. And future also low, open low, and the option price is also making a open low. So that may be a clue to trade in BEL to 300 call. Let's show you the BEL 300 call. Let's find out this. This is also forming a open low. There is a clue. So even a lot of stocks we are filtering out by the scanner. All the stocks will not work, right? But here you can see there is a open low on the option also. That means it is giving you some confirmations where this may be work, right? And also we derive the stop loss by the open low also is what the open low price should be the our stop loss. So we can simply find out a trade opportunity here. All if the scanners works well, and we can apply our knowledge and we can apply some trading methods. So if you find out this, let's say yesterday how many stocks: BHEL, LIC, AB Capital, City Union, IBUL. So these are the stocks which forms means what we say. This is what these are the stocks yesterday forms of open low and having good buying volume, right? So let's check this stocks what happened today. BHEL, let's we go for a BHEL. What happened yesterday? It moves well and hope it we continue. We thought it maybe continues the trend at loading. BHEL, LIC housing, that forms open low on yesterday. And let's look at this today. What happened in BHEL? So at yesterday's close price is 53 and today it moves somewhere around 50. Sorry, this is what yesterday's move, right? And I'm going to show you daily chart. So this is about yesterday's move. So the stock forms a doji or a spinning top, shooting star at the top. Today it not moved, so the stock is not always moving continuously. Some stocks may move, but all the stocks will not keep moving daily. So this yesterday there is an opportunity, we made a profit on that, but today it is not moving. If this is a bullish stock, if it is break this high, may it continues the momentum. But unless until if it is breaks, so there is no movement, right? And let's we try it out. LIC Housing Finance, what happened? There, so yesterday, sorry, LIC Housing. Yesterday there is a big volume happening, so there is a big shooting star. But if you focus out, today there is an opportunity, but we didn't get it out. Right, it opened here and went higher from 406. It went to 409, just 3 rupees, and again it fallen down. So if you are watching, this is what another good shooting star which is happening at highest level based on the candlesticks what we are talking about, right? So there's a we will make a this stock will focus for a selling opportunity for a next day. But if you are using a 15 minutes breakout strategy, so let me go for it. So it's not giving you any opportunity today. It's a purely range bound stock. It never break the first 15 minutes high, or it never break the first 15. So let me try it out. AB Capital and City Union Bank. What happened? So yesterday it is having a good volume. If today what happened on that particular stocks? If you are checking out, so there is a chances we may understand how the scanner is working. Right. So even we can add some other conditions on that, but it was not loading yet. AB Capital. Today this is also not moving well. Right. So here it is started here. And here at this point it may be some spike and never. So yesterday high and low is not broken on this top. So if it is continues the yesterday's momentum, it should break today's high. Like it is also not breaken. So if we are adding even more conditions, so not only open low, the volume and other things, we are planning it, we will find out from this list of stocks, we can find out one or two stocks for intraday, right? So that may works well. So even how to change the open low, so you can add the conditions and save the scanner. It will give you if any stocks which forms of open low from this list of stocks. We may try after 9:30. So is that breakout happened? So we may try. I hope this video may be useful to you all. Thanks for being with me and thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.